What is going on, everybody? TJ got Kicks 89 and I am back with another sick pickup and review. First off, let me say thank you so much to everyone that's been watching, following, subscribing to my channel, liking, leaving comments whatsoever. The Air Max Plus Hyper Blue colorway it just hit 11K yesterday apparently. I want to say thank you to everyone. But today is just a follow-up to my double review last time that I was at My Style in Sungai Long Cheras. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. I'll leave a card somewhere. But I got a pickup from Nike Malaysia. I was fortunate enough to be blessed with a pair of these. Bots were just all over the website that morning. Actually, no, it was actually an 11 a.m. release. But this is something that I have been waiting for this year, especially when I saw the leaked pictures last year on Instagram. I've always wanted a pair of these. I have the white and black 2014 pair. I recently traded off my 2014 black pair, as you can tell, for a pair of... God damn, I forgot. But, yeah, let's just cut the crap. Jordan box. Put that aside. We have got my pair of the... Oops. Blooper. But we have got my pair of the black infrareds in a size 9.5. Last time it was a size 8.5. Let's just go straight into the box and see what our Nike pair has. Alright, same thing as last time. Standard Durbuck upper. I think the purpose of this review is probably just to show a comparison between in-store cops and online cops. Usually I'm a bit skeptical when I buy online, but in this case I have to because I struck out on the Hoops live ballot and I struck out on Hoops online. Thanks so much for Chaos the God anyways for assisting that day, but we came up today. Shit. So no blue stains whatsoever on the Durbuck upper. This is Durbuck, by the way, because it has a rubbery kind of feel. I hate how they choke the sixes when it's fresh out the box. Stitching is correct. Nothing really wrong. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the 3M looks pretty good here. Nothing on this pair as well. Well, there's just like some little fills there, but nothing like you can really do about like a hand painted pair. They don't make robots to paint all over the shoe in factories. No glue stains on this one as well. Stitching looks correct. This is not a review because I've already done one for you guys. It's just a follow-up and just to basically inform everyone that I managed to buy a pair on Nike Online. Yes, we did beat the bots this time. We beat the odds. Well, just to be nitpicky, I think there's like a dot there, if you can see that, and like some marks where the glue spilled over onto the material, but it's obviously pulled off after they reached the end of the line at the production factory. Loose stitching here and there, but I don't really care, but because I'm gonna wear the shit out of these, man. Alright, icy, icy, nicey, nicey, according to DJ Dells. Yeah, so thought I wasn't gonna be able to cop, but I did. So glad I got these. Gonna cut the video short because I have to be going now. But thank you guys for staying tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, whatever it is. Stay tuned for more sneaker content. I've got a whole load of events lined up this year. A whole load of other sneaker events. Yeah, so checking out your boy TJ Got Kicks 89. I'm out.